Y'all ready to find out who's gonna win this thing tonight? All right, y'all can do better than that. Are y'all ready for this championship round? Make some noise. There you go.
Hell yeah. Y'all done let the Asian man make it to the finals. Before the black dude, just like they got a hate crime bill before the black people. God damn. Y'all go ahead and start making some noise, man. Show some energy. This dude been killing all fucking night. Y'all give it up for my dog, Mr. Connor.
I'm sorry, I didn't know he was gonna jump.
I was in we having fun tonight. I'm high as fuck. Oh shit. Let's go.
Y'all get that energy up and keep that noise going for Timely Rain. One more time, everybody. Clap it up for her.
Yeah! Thought this is karaoke.
All right, y'all come up a little closer. We got photo ops. Y'all know this shit is going straight to the internet. So watch how badly you lose. We gonna roast. We gonna let Miss Timely go first. We gonna let ladies go first. All right. We gonna roast in 3, 2, 1.
You look like you asked people to take their shoes off at your mom's house.
Timely, you look like the prostitute from Breaking Bad.
Connor, you look like you could have been my math teacher.
Timely, you look like you need help.
You look like you turned down pussy to do homework.
Sorry. Timely, you look like when you approach people, they say, I don't have any change.
You look like when you don't practice safe sex because condoms fall right off of you.
Timely, you look like you know the best bridge to sleep under in the city.
You look like every high school valedictorian that was secretly addicted to pills.
Timely, you look like you've been accused of witchcraft.
Connor, you look like a knockoff Hans Kim. That was for the comedians in the back.
Timely, you look like you've hit rock bottom.
Not yet, baby. We're at the top. You look like the only reason you don't say the N-word with a hard R is because you can't hit that last letter.
That's very good. That was funny. That's good. Timely, you look like you put pins in puppet versions of your enemies.
Get out of my room. Let's see. You look like instead of getting cast in Rush Hour, you got cast in Flushed Hour. I don't think you can handle your alcohol.
You look like you've called 877 cash now.
Do you know how to pawn something to make your dreams come true, Connor?
Oh, calm down.
You look like you have computer dust because you think it technically makes you a cyborg. I told you that wasn't funny.
Let's choose. Timely, you look like the opioid crisis.
You look like you planned a school shooting but were late to cello practice.
Timely, you look like a former Disney star.
You get the best of both. Sorry, I need to stop singing on this microphone. You look like you learned English by watching The Office.
You look like you think female athletes should get paid the same, but you don't know any of the teams.
You look like you're good with numbers, but bad with letters.
You look like you mix all the sodas from the beverage dispenser.
Yeah, it's called a fucking suicide. We're comedians, dude. I live this life, motherfucker. I'm sad. You look like a concert pianist who moonlights as a sex offender.
You look like you're not like other moms. You're like a cool mom.
That's a fucking championship round right there. Make some noise for these two, man. This shit ain't easy. God damn. That was good shit, Connor. Hey, that's fucking right. That's the fuck I'm talking about. Even though it looked like you trained Jaden Smith and Karate Kid, nigga. No, you cry like this. Oh, shit. He was on your ass. God damn, boy. That Disney Channel one was on.
Yeah, I look like Miley Cyrus. Get the fuck over it. Like...
It's not Miley.
You look like what Britney Spears is going through right now.
Thank you.
If only I had that many views.
Oh shit, you look like you was dancing with the knives with all your clothes on, nigga. God damn.
Hey, props to you for screaming out, I'm fucking sad in front of your mom.
She's the reason.
Jesus Christ.
I'm kidding.
I don't know why I feel like I've seen her on MTV Cribs or some shit. I don't know.
I don't have a crib.
Exactly. I don't know why. I think I saw you on that show. You look homeless. I don't know.
I'm not homeless. I'm home full, okay?
Okay, we're going to... Yeah. She's sitting down. She think this therapy. We're going to keep going. She said, she got it like a rapper and shit. I've been in the motherfucking trailer park. Thugging all night. Nigga, you went in the trailer park with me. We got to crown a champion, though.
We do. We gotta have one more vote for the evening.
We clap for one motherfucker, okay? Y'all been doing good all night. Y'all want to see my dog Connor Carter bring home the championship belt? Go ahead and make some noise.
That was loud.
That was very loud. I'm scared.
That was the loudest one I've heard so far. If y'all only vote once, this is gonna be bad. But if y'all want to make some noise for Timely Rain to win tonight, we gotta stop letting people's moms vote, man.
That's not my mom.
Man, that was 4 versus 26. Man, Connor Carter, your champion, motherfucker! Come on up. Stop shrinking in the back. Y'all get up for Connor. Get off the stage, loser. You taking the spotlight. Anything you want to say?
No.
Excellent choice.
Good, man. He bringing on the championship, man. He had a good time. Any highlight of the night? Anybody you want to give props to that really got you or something like that?
I want to thank
Buddha.
The roast is over.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, give it up for all the other comics who are here. Give it up for them. This was fun.
Shit, not easy. It's not easy at all, man. All right, we're going to bring you back to read the roast that they got for you, man. You go ahead and get off stage. We're going to go ahead and keep the show.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Hey.
Give it up for your champion of the night. You picked that motherfucker.